Hello everybody, my name is Luigi and I am a physiologist. Shortly we will be talking about 12 reasons why people should have adequate daily amount of coenzyme Q10. Coenzyme Q10 is a vitamin-like compound that plays a crucial role for energy production within the body, including the heart. Also, it helps protect the cell membrane and arteries from oxidative stress and from inflammatory damage. Deficiency of coenzyme Q10 compromises the function of cells, and people with certain conditions such as diabetes, high blood pressure, heart problems, Parkinson's disease, gum disease, as well as those taking statins that are cholesterol-lowering drugs tend to have low levels of coenzyme Q10. Because of its beneficial effects, coenzyme Q10 supplements represent an important natural treatment for a variety of health conditions. Coenzyme Q10 is produced by the liver using the vitamins B, C, folic acid and mineral trace. Also, it is present in food, and good sources include oil fish, organ meats such as liver, and whole grains. There is evidence suggesting that the amount of coenzyme Q10 produced by the liver and the amount absorbed from the diet decrease with age. Thus, coenzyme Q10 supplements may be needed, especially in people with health conditions. Now let's see coenzyme Q10, energy production, and sport performance. Coenzyme Q10 is important for the production of ATP, which is the energy currency that all cells, including muscle cells, rely on to function. Coenzyme Q10 is involved in the mitochondria electron transport chain, that is an essential process in ATP production. Consequently, coenzyme Q10 appears to improve sport performance and reduce feeling of fatigue. Furthermore, coenzyme Q10 helps protect against muscle damage resulting from high-intensity physical exercise, because it contributes to stabilizing the muscle membrane, and this added stability can help the muscle fibers be more resilient against mechanical damage. Also, coenzyme Q10 helps protect from oxidative damage, often observed following exercise-induced muscle damage. Thus, coenzyme Q10 is crucial to fuel your daily activity as well as sport performance. Now let's see the importance of coenzyme Q10 for heart function and health. Coenzyme Q10 supplements are often prescribed in combination with traditional therapy to treat cardiovascular diseases. The heart uses mainly fat to produce energy it needs, and has high number of large-size mitochondria that are the powerhouse of cells, where coenzyme Q10 is present in high concentration. In ischemic heart disease, there is an inadequate blood supply and oxygen to the heart, compromising energy production. In people with ischemic condition, high levels of coenzyme Q10 can increase the amount of energy produced by the heart, which can be used to sustain its activity, alleviating the symptoms of the disease. Heart failure occurs when the heart does not pump blood efficiently. Patients with heart failure, by taking coenzyme Q10, experience an improvement in their heart's muscle contractility, improving the ability to pump blood, which translates into reduced symptoms and a better quality of life. In healthy individuals, coenzyme Q10 contributes to optimize heart function and prevent these diseases. Also, there is scientific evidence suggesting that coenzyme Q10 has blood pressure lowering effects by improving the elasticity of the artery walls. Lowering high blood pressure is very important to prevent and treat cardiovascular diseases. Coenzyme Q10 is vital for the nervous system health, as it can make a real difference in energy production and brain function. Oxidative stress and damage represent two main factors of neurodegenerative diseases. The damaging action of free radicals on nerve structures is a mechanism typical of some diseases, such as Parkinson's disease and muscular dystrophy. Some studies have shown that coenzyme Q10 supplements could block the biological mechanism involved in the development and progression of these diseases. These represent an important tool for prevention and treatment, and can be administered in conjunction with traditional drugs. Also, coenzyme Q10 has beneficial effects on the skin. Coenzyme Q10 helps improve energy levels and skin repair, as well as protecting the skin cells from the damaging effects of toxins and free radicals. Collagen is the main structural protein found in the skin and other connective tissues. Coenzyme Q10 and vitamin C are needed to produce collagen, which is essential for the health and appearance of the skin, also helping to reduce the typical signs of aging. Atherosclerosis is a disease that affects medium and large-size arteries and may result in heart attack and stroke. Coenzyme Q10 prevents the oxidation of LDL cholesterol, which is a major factor in atherosclerosis development, and this is also crucial for cardiovascular disease and stroke prevention. The optimal daily amount of coenzyme Q10 depends on different factors, such as age, overall health, and medication. For people under the age of 60, the daily amount is between 60 and 100 milligrams, while for people over the age of 60, with heart conditions and taking statins, the clinician may recommend between 100 and 200 milligrams of coenzyme Q10, and it can be increased up to 300 milligrams, and should be taken in smaller amount during the day. In conclusion, coenzyme Q10 has a number of beneficial effects. Thus, it is important to ensure adequate daily amount.